Welcome to Rome Tech. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, Object Storage offers a robust and scalable solution for storing and managing your data. It's designed to be highly durable and available, ensuring your information is always accessible when you need it. This platform is ideal for a wide range of use cases, from backing up and archiving critical business data to powering data lakes for analytics and serving content for web applications. One of the key strengths of OCI Object Storage is its cost-effectiveness. It offers competitive pricing, allowing you to store large volumes of data without breaking the bank. Furthermore, its tiered storage options allow you to optimize costs by selecting the storage tier that best aligns with your performance and access frequency requirements. Whether you need high-performance storage for frequently accessed data or a more cost-effective option for archival purposes, OCI has a solution that fits your needs. Security is paramount, and OCI Object Storage provides robust security features to protect your valuable data. Encryption, both in transit and at rest, helps safeguard your information from unauthorized access. Granular access controls allow you to manage who can access your data and what actions they can perform. This level of control ensures that your data remains secure and compliant with industry regulations. OCI Object Storage seamlessly integrates with other Oracle Cloud services, creating a powerful and unified cloud platform. This integration simplifies workflows and streamlines data management. Whether you're working with compute instances, databases, or other cloud services, you can easily access and manage your data within the OCI ecosystem. This interconnectedness empowers you to build and deploy applications more efficiently. With its focus on performance, security, and scalability, OCI Object Storage is a compelling choice for businesses of all sizes. Its comprehensive features and competitive pricing make it a valuable asset for organizations looking to modernize their data storage infrastructure and leverage the power of the cloud. From startups to large enterprises, OCI Object Storage offers a flexible and reliable solution for managing data in today's dynamic business environment. Learn more at oracle.com/cloud/storage.